In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Ticktick. This is an incredibly useful feature if you often find yourself setting up the same tasks repeatedly. By turning these recurring tasks into templates, you'll be able to save precious time and ensure consistency in your planning and productivity routine. Let's begin with creating your task. Think of a task that you frequently perform and want to streamline. For example, let's use a weekly review. This is a task that might already be part of your routine, but by saving it as a template, you'll have everything you need ready at the click of a button. Start by opening Ticktick and creating a new task. Enter the task title, such as Weekly Review, and make sure it's descriptive enough so you can easily identify it later. Once you've got your task title, think about the specific elements you want included every time you perform this task. These can be subtasks or a checklist. For instance, your checklist might include steps like clear inbox, review calendar, and plan next week. Next, consider adding a description or notes that provide additional context or instructions. This is especially helpful if there are nuances or specific reminders you want to capture. Think of it as a mini-guide within your task template. To further organize, you can add tags like #weekly, which will help in sorting and finding this task among others swiftly. And don't forget to set the task's priority level. While date and time information won't be saved in your template, they are designed to be fresh each time. You can set a priority to indicate its importance. Once your task is fully set up the way you envision using it frequently, it's time to save it as a template. Open the Task Details page for the task you've just created. Here, you will find several icons and options, but the key one to look for is the three-dot menu. This icon is typically located in the top right or bottom right corner of your screen. It's a small but mighty tool that expands your options. Click on this menu, and from the drop-down list, select the option Save as Template. And that's it. Your task is now saved as a template. This means that the next time you want to kick off your weekly review, you'll just need to pull from your template library and you'll have all your subtasks, notes, tags, and priorities ready in an instant. Implementing templates is a small change that can make a huge impact on managing your time and tasks more efficiently. I highly recommend playing around with different setups and seeing what suits your workflow best. Thank you for joining me today. Keep watching for more tips and tricks on enhancing your productivity with easy-to-use tools.